Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to fix you the problem with the AMD graphic card. No AMD graphic driver. So for example, here no AMD graphic driver installed or the AMD driver is not functioning properly. Please install the AMD driver appropriate for your AMD hardware. So maybe you encounter this error because of BIOS update. You update your BIOS but you forgot to install the driver, or maybe this BIOS need you to reinstall all the driver on your Windows. And of course, usually there's a possible cause, usually in order or in connection with NVIDIA graphic card. So you have a AMD chipset, AMD CPU, and you have GPU, new GPU from NVIDIA installed on your motherboard, and try to use this NVIDIA as your primary video card. So there's a driver conflict here, and if that's your problem in connection with the NVIDIA, you can try to, based on this reply from Fish5G, thank you, in the community AMD. It is possible that there is a conflict between AMD graphic driver and your NVIDIA graphic card. So you can try to update your NVIDIA graphic driver to the latest version available, as this may help you to resolve any compatibility issues. So another solution from Swiggles, so he would use DDU to install any AMD and NVIDIA graphic driver, then reboot to make sure that message doesn't appear again. If doesn't, then just install your NVIDIA GFX driver. Just make sure to run DDU in Windows Safe mode for best result. So you can download DDU. This is like display driver uninstaller app. So you can download, install, and try to use it in a safe mode. And then you can try to download the latest AMD chipset driver for your motherboard from the official website of AMD. And you need to refer to your motherboard manual to determine which AMD chipset your motherboard uses. Then download the appropriate driver package. Now you can run DDU again to remove all AMD driver and reboot. Assuming the AMD driver message does not reappear, install the AMD chipset driver you just downloaded and reboot your PC. Do not install AMD Catalyst or Adrenaline driver. These are only needed if you use AMD graphic card. So the point is, all you need, just download the AMD chipset, not Adrenaline driver. You can find it on the AMD driver and support official website. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Circle text button below. See you.